The 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE feature innovative technology which enables the rider to enjoy state-of-the-art features that enhance the overall riding experience. One of these is Kawasaki SPIN Infotainment, and this is how it functions. Kawasaki SPIN is a new onboard infotainment system that is displayed on the large 6.5-inch or 15.5 centimeter TFT meter of the 2022 Ninja H2SX. Like Kawasaki's Rideology app, it links the rider's smartphone to the TFT meter, giving access to a number of embedded functions: telephone, map, music, and contacts. It also offers access to a wide variety of third-party apps that the rider can download, offering information, communication, entertainment, and navigation. Here is a step-by-step guide to pairing the smartphone and then accessing apps. To use this infotainment system, first you have to download Kawasaki SPIN to your smartphone. SPIN is available on Google Play and the App Store, just like third-party apps that you can select from and use. When installing the app, make sure to allow and accept the pop-ups to make full use of the app. First, turn the ignition key. Then go to Menu by clicking the arrow on the left handlebar. Press Mode down to scroll to Settings in the menu. Press the arrow and scroll to Connections. Press the arrow to enter connections. Then click on Mobile Devices and pair New Mobile Device. Open Bluetooth on your phone and wait for the motorcycle to appear in the list. Then click to connect. On your phone, a pairing code will appear. Make sure it matches the code on your motorcycle, then press Pair on your phone. Now press the arrow on the left handlebar to confirm. Your phone will open the SPIN app immediately and start the application. Make sure to accept all pop-ups and tracking on the app. Through the app, you can go to your contacts, your personal calendar, maps, and preferred music. You can download from a selection of apps currently compatible with Kawasaki SPIN. The number and type of available apps will increase over time and may differ in style or functionality per country. To download apps and make use of all functions within the application, the SPIN app will ask to set up a Wi-Fi connection between your motorcycle and your phone. This pop-up will appear on your phone screen automatically. Press Connect and keep the phone in vehicle mode and make sure not to lock your phone. The rider selects which apps are most relevant for them to create a personal app library that matches their riding needs. For this video, we will choose 3 apps to look into: Phone from the embedded functions, plus Music, and Sygic GPS, and show how to access and use each of them. All the other apps have similar functionality. First, we will look at Contacts, which is part of the standard suite of Kawasaki SPIN items and does not have to be downloaded. This requires the rider to have a Bluetooth speaker and microphone fitted to their helmet, allowing them to make and receive phone calls. To make use of your phone while riding, you first have to connect your communication device with the SPIN app. To pair, go to the same menu as you did to pair your motorcycle and press Pair Helmet. Make sure your communication device is ready for pairing and start the pairing process. Remember, pairing devices differ between manufacturers, so please refer to your manufacturer's instructions for pairing your helmet to your Ninja H2SX or H2SX SE. Make sure your phone is in vehicle mode and has a Wi-Fi connection with your motorcycle when wanting to operate through the TFT screen. With the smartphone and helmet paired with the motorcycle, a call is made by using the multifunction switch on the left handlebar to select contacts in the SPIN menu. By using contacts, the person you wish to phone can be selected and then dialed by simply pressing the arrow handlebar selector button. To disconnect the call, simply press the reset button highlighted here. Assuming the rider's smartphone is paired to the TFT meter, the rider selects the SPIN home screen using the arrow button on the left handlebar. Once selected, the rider opens the Music app in the same way by pressing the arrow button twice and then moving towards the Music app. This will open the standard Music app you have installed on your phone. On an iPhone, you will be redirected to iTunes Music, for example. To stop the music, simply press the arrow button to stop playing the music, and then the reset button to close the app. All current Spin apps can be accessed and used either when stationary or riding. When riding and using Spin, please ensure it is safe to do so and maintain your concentration on the dynamics of the vehicle, plus surrounding traffic and the road conditions. Please note that your phone screen needs to remain unlocked for Spin to function. Before using Sygic GPS, make sure to download the app through the Spin app on your phone. Sygic GPS opens on your motorcycle using the navigation buttons on the left handlebar to navigate to Sygic GPS maps inside the Spin menu. Make sure to accept tracking of the app and use the app fully. Also, when you first use Sygic GPS, make sure to load the map of your choice and grant access to the app on your motorcycle and phone. To plan a route, go to the looking glass symbol and type in your destination using the switch on the handlebar. When you have located your destination, press the arrow button twice to start your navigation. This is an offline navigation system that is a route planning, exploration, and navigation app that doesn't require a mobile internet connection to search and includes turn-by-turn navigation, voice instructions, speed limit alerts, and many other useful features. That is the end of our introduction to Kawasaki Spin. We hope you found it useful. Look at the links below in the description for more information on Kawasaki Spin and the Ninja H2SX, including other feature videos in this series explaining more about the technical features of Kawasaki's most advanced sports tourer ever.